So guys, just to give you a little further look at how things fit in here, here's the Stifflers cross member. Interestingly enough, these bolt holes are already here in this chassis, so this is about the simplest thing we've ever had to do this way. Kind of get a sense of how the trans fits up in the tunnel. You can see some of the surgery we needed to do up inside that tunnel here, just to make sure it cleared all the way along. We have some ability to adjust trans height. As you know, this is an IRS car, so we'll be making sure our two-piece drive shaft has a clean, straight shot off the flange here. You can also get a better sense of what the clearance looks like up under here. The blue tape is where the exhaust ports are. We've already sectioned. Here's where we cleared the QA1K member modifications. Also trimmed here. We'll be cutting this off because we need that for the cat clearance there. Cat clearance is going to sit back in here. Everything else is in great spots, all in the right places. Lots of clearance at the front for future modifications. And we're all set to go. Aloha.